have to do an accident investigation.
No! Get out of the road! Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
I'm not...
My life is over!
Legal analysis of a Marshfield, Wisconsin accident response. What matters here is the law. Wisconsin Statute Section 3, 46.67 is the foundation. Every driver in a collision has a non-discretionary duty to stop, render aid, and exchange information. No personal urgency suspends it.
The car! Oh my God! Why are you? Get away from me!
Who's involved in the accident?
From what I gathered is her. She rear-ended him because he was sitting at a light that was green, and then and I'm trying to talk to her and just calm her down.
Officer, I have to go!
You can't leave yet. Don't leave!
I'm in the middle of an order! I have food in my car! I have food in my car!
You need to calm
I have
down.
food in my car!
Ma'am, you need to calm
I have
down.
food in my car!
Stand over here.
Leave me alone. Babe, you need to get here. You need to get here.
You can go.
Okay, thank you. Here now!
So what happened?
The leg turned, there was a car in front of me, and all of a sudden I got hit from behind.
Okay.
And then I pulled over here.
Alright. What's your information here?
Kayla,
I'm in front of Picket Safe.
Kayla, what
Get
happened?
here now! Because these cops are pissing me the f*** off!
Kayla, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
No!
Alright, Kayla, you're gonna be detained. You're gonna be detained.
Stop!
Why are you running away?
Right! He wouldn't f***ing let...
Hey.
There was a green light!
There's
And he didn't go!
an accident. Why are you yelling? Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm in the middle of work!
Okay, well, you're not going anywhere.
I'm not going
Chris,
anywhere!
get over here.
I'm not going anywhere! You need to get here now. These cops they're pinning me to a corner.
Ma'am, we're trying to gather information so we can get you out of here.
I'm in front of Picket Safe.
Okay?
Kayla.
My car is
Kayla.
My car is I need to see if
Kayla,
it's gonna start. I need
You're not starting your car.
No. You're not
I
getting in
need
the
to see if
vehicle.
I'm not.
You're not getting in
Then
the
can you
vehicle.
start
You're
it?
getting detained.
No, please. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please,
Stop
please
yelling.
get here, please. The cops are trying to arrest me.
Kayla, we're not here to arrest you.
Kayla, can we sit over here, please?
Please, no.
Kayla,
Get here now, please.
we just have to conduct
Get
an
here
accident
now.
investigation, okay?
Get here now.
This could be solved very
Off. I didn't do anything. I didn't
You're
do
not
anything.
bleeding. Kayla,
I
get out of the
didn't do
street.
anything.
Get out of the
I
street.
didn't do anything wrong. I'm in front of my car. My life is over. Why
Let's
did
just
you
gather
go?
up the information and get out of here.
It was green.
Kayla, we have to do an accident investigation.
Marshfield 111, are you able to head on it?
Oh no.
Kayla,
Oh no.
calm down.
Oh no. Oh no. Please, can you see if it starts for me?
Kayla,
Please,
we can see if it
if it
starts.
starts.
Yeah, we can do that.
California doesn't. He
Mom,
is
Mom, I just got into a car accident. My car's
Kayla, it's okay. It's okay. Is it leaking anything?
He had a green light. He wouldn't go.
Hey, Kayla, do you have insurance?
Off.
Okay.
My car is fucked. I'm fucked. Oh my God. My God. This car is perfectly f***ing fine now.
Kayla, it's
Oh
okay.
my God.
It's okay.
Well, let's jump. You go for it. He's at home. It doesn't matter. My car is ruined.
okay. You're
My car is ruined! Oh, stop! Why are you laughing?
I'm not. Really not too much. Okay. You can have a seat in your truck. I'm gonna give you a card and get you out of here.
Oh God, this is insane!
Kayla, your radiator's fine.
Up! Yourself!
Your radiator's
Slit your
fine.
wrist.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh my God!
Your radiator's not
Shut
punctured.
up!
You should be able
Shut
to drive
up!
it. So you're not leaving.
The light was green! It was green!
We just gotta get some pictures.
No! No!
Well, there's no damage to his, it doesn't seem like. There's just damage to yours.
Yeah, I know. Great. Funny. Great. Get away from me.
This is how an accident.
Stop! Don't talk to me!
Kayla, why are you freaking
Don't
out?
talk to me!
Why are you freaking out?
I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. I can't fix this! I can't fix this! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't fix this!
Kayla, get out of the street.
No!
Get out of the road! Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
Get out of the road!
Leave me alone!
I'm not gonna leave.
Get the f out of my face!
If you keep yelling,
Leave me alone!
listen, if you keep yelling,
I
you
don't
won't hang
care!
up.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
It's a pretty simple accident investigation.
Off! I'm not doing
No,
anything!
you're not going on the road.
I'm not!
You're not going to go on the road.
This is insane! This is insane! I can't believe it! Oh! F you, you guys are f***ing pricks! No, no, no! No!
Okay, do you want to tell us what happened?
No! The light was green and he didn't go!
You want the case number?
Yourself.
Do you have her current information?
Do you have insurance?
I'm not giving you anything.
Do you have insurance?
I'm not giving you anything.
Alright, well, we'll just give her a citation for no proof of insurance.
Okay, give me a
That's fine.
citation. I don't care.
That's fine.
What am I getting a citation for?
I already explained it to you. I'm not going to sit here and debate with you.
An insurance card!
You told me, you just told me that I should myself and f you. That's what you told us. You have insurance, you were involved in an accident. You need to provide insurance.
I don't have the information.
Then who is it, Kayla?
I don't know.
Okay. Would you like to give it to us at some point? Do you want to tell us what happened?
The light was green and my tires are full and I slid into his truck.
Oh, that's more of an explanation than I got.
Can you come off the road?
No, I want to get hit by a car.
Why?
I'm
Why? It's an accident.
I can't afford to fix this.
You probably don't have to fix it that much.
You guys are straight up stupid.
Okay. I'm not going to put up with that. We're done. I'm not putting up with that. You can call Officer Berg tomorrow and let him know who your insurance is.
No,
Okay, well then you will be cited for that.
that's fine.
Okay.
I don't care.
You can go through a red light. Oh.
The disorderly conduct statute is Wisconsin Section 947.01, subsection 1. Class B misdemeanor. 4 elements: prohibited conduct, public setting, tendency to provoke disturbance, reasonable person standard. 2 Wisconsin Supreme Court decisions define the scope. State versus AS 2001 holds speech alone qualifies when it lacks social value. State versus Schwebke 2002 confirms private conduct counts when it risks spilling into public disruption. Fourth Amendment analysis runs through Terry versus Ohio 1968. Brief investigative detention, reasonable suspicion, proportionate scope. Pennsylvania versus Mims 1977 extends that authority to accident scenes. Use of force is measured against Graham versus Connor 1989 from a reasonable officer's perspective on scene. When officers resolve it verbally, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 exposure stays minimal.
She's gonna get in another crash.
So she rear-ended the car.
Yeah.
So that ticket and then no insurance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Easy enough.
My goodness.
So, like, prior to our arrival, how was that other party's behavior, I guess?
You know, I couldn't move because of the car in front of me, and she ran into me, so then I pulled and there was no place where we parked.
Yeah.
Then she was, like, ready to leave.
Yeah.
She was like, she just wanted to leave, so, like, and then she got really hysteric, and then...
Okay. You know, do you
She
feel
just-
like yesterday, like, her behavior caused a disturbance?
Oh, yeah, she was yelling on the sidewalk, yelling, and I was the cause, you know, top of her lungs, she was freaking out.
Yeah, that's, I know that's a bit much to have to deal with, you know, especially for...
It's a minor accident.
Yeah,
you
it
know,
was a minor accident. Doesn't seem like, you know, there might have been some paint scuffing, but it didn't look like there was much damage to your vehicle. Did she, like, make any, like, sort of threatening statements to you or anything like that as well, or just yelling at you?
Just a lot of yell. I don't think it made threatening, you know, to me, but...
Okay. Yeah, because, like, ultimately, you know, her behavior, how she was acting yesterday, you know, we had sort of discussed it a lot. I know it was towards the end of the day and towards the end of our shift, but, you know, ultimately that was extremely unacceptable on her part. So I will be charging her with disorderly conduct for that. You know, it's not something you should have to deal with for an accident, and that's not the way, you know, not a proper way to behave for something that was basically similar to hitting a deer, you know.
Yeah, you know.
So.
And I questioned if she was on something, you know, that was towards the end of it, thinking, you know, but...
Yeah. No, I've had a couple of contacts with her before, and that seems to be pretty much in line with her normal behavior, so.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so sometimes she gets like that. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, if we were going to pursue charges against her, that, you know, you felt that she had caused a disturbance, which I think everybody in that surrounding area certainly did, so.
Well, yeah, she was running around and...
All right, well, thanks for talking with me. I just wanted to reach out to you and make sure that would be appropriate, so.
All right, well, you have yourself a wonderful day, and...
Yeah, you too. All right, take care.
The officers earn a B+. Commands were lawful. The detention tracked Terry. The disengagement followed crisis intervention team doctrine. Points off for standing too close to traffic during the encounter. The subject earns a D. She hit every element of Section 947.01, violated Section 346.67, and refused the insurance requirement under Section 344.62. Not an F, only because she never put hands on an officer. 3 takeaways. First, the duty to remain at an accident scene is absolute. Second, profanity alone is protected, but add volume, a public setting and disturbance, and Wisconsin's disorderly conduct line gets crossed. Third, officer restraint is both law and strategy. It cuts Section 1983 exposure and keeps the case clean. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.